What's up, Sugar Peeps? Welcome back to Sugar's Unapologetic Nail Channel. Yeah.
You're looking for a new nail bestie, then oh my gosh, that's absolutely messy. Then girl, I'm right here and you've made it, okay? So let's just hop into this. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so that way you don't miss any future videos or uploads.
We are going to be doing an unboxing of these new ROSALIND gel polish kit. These are the bright neon reflective gel polishes. The links will be in the description, guys. I will also be doing a swatch as well as an easy nail art design for summer. So buckle up, y'all. I really hope you enjoy. Oh my gosh, look at this. I couldn't keep them in my hands, but these are the beautiful colors, y'all. And so I wanted to go through and show you guys all the different colors and ranges that they have. I mean, just look at all the colors here on Amazon. I mean, it's crazy. The link will be linked down below for you guys, so check them out. And yeah, oh my gosh, look at this purple. Just look at these colors, you guys. They say they're easy soak off, they're 7 free. They are just beautiful reflectiveness. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that green, y'all. I'm sorry, I had to sing. I'm not sorry. I'm funny, okay? Let's just get that out there real quick if you don't know. Anyway, at least I think I'm funny. But look how bright this orange is. Now on here, this orange and the darker red color kind of look the same. But that's okay, y'all. That's okay. This is really super pretty, especially out in the sunlight. So get ready for these swatches, y'all. Oh yeah, baby. Back to back, what do you think? And look at my little hack, y'all, with top coat. With top coat. No labels required. Okay? Love it. I absolutely love this. I seen it and I was like, what? Excuse me, I have to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. This is how you do it. Oh, I'm a dork. I'm a dork. I'm a dork, but it's okay. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you like this video? Please let me know. Do you like the style? Love it the way that I did it? Let me know, as I just said a freaking million times. Anyway, I broke out a little bit, so I'm going to be using these little sticky things for my nails. And yeah, so hopefully that's all right with y'all. It doesn't matter either way, but I did it anyway. So you want to make sure you file that little bit off there. And let's put her on. Just make sure you prep. Prep's always key, y'all, if you want lasting wear. And now I'm just going to let you guys listen to this. Nail art time. Woo woo. Let's do this. Oh my god, look at these colors, y'all. Alright, so I've lost part of the footage to the ending of this, but this is an ombre with purple. So I'm using pink and I'm gonna ombre it down, and I'm gonna use the purple up the bottom portion of the nail, or top, however you want to say it. But yeah, it's really super easy. I will show you on the pinky nail here in just a bit, but I wanted to show you guys how they went on. So there was a couple of them that were there was enough pigment in there. They all have one coat. They don't have any more than one coat, but they are see-through. But I did have to go over it, but it's still one coat. I just had to darken it up, if that makes sense. And so right here, watch how this goes on. So what it does is, like, the glitter pulls the pigment down if you push too hard or pull too hard. So I had to keep going back in and like refilling it back in, if that makes sense. And I really wanted to make sure that I left this part in, because, you know, just that way you guys knew what it was like putting this on. So you don't want to put too much, you don't want to apply too much pressure, because you don't want to have to go in and keep constantly touching it up. But this is how thin it is. But it doesn't look that way once the light hits it at all, by any means. And yeah, look how thin that is. I love it though. It's very, very like a jelly consistency almost, but with the reflective in there, but it's neon. at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Well, they call it neon. It's super bright. But I'm going in. As you can see, you see dark blue streaks almost. That's the pigment staying in one spot, getting stuck on the glitter. So, yeah, I don't know. It ended up leveling itself out, no problem. And I'm just kind of coming in here and fixing up the cuticle. I got it everywhere. Make sure you clean off your nail before you put it in the nail lamp, y'all. And I use my brush around my cuticle area to make sure I really fill it in nicely and let it all kind of level out together so there's no lumps and bumps. Oh, y'all, look at this purple. Oh my god. She's so beautiful. Rosalind, thank you so much for this beautiful set. I am in love with this set. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And yeah, they're just a little like on the jelly side. No worries, it levels out. Once again, I'm showing you right here how the pigment was in the purple. I'm not quite sure what all that was about. Maybe I just needed to stir it and I didn't. But yeah, I just went back in. I didn't cure, but I went back in and made it a little darker. So, okay, so there's the thumb. And we're going to go in and, oh, y'all. I'm eclipsed.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, but I don't know. I wanted to kind of take the brush basically pretty much down the nail as I would say the middle, and then I take my little brush and I just take my strokes down, and it really blends the ends well together. You're going to take your big brush and you're going to push it up into that color, and I kind of went up into that color a little bit more than I wanted to with my little brush. But now I'm going to take the liner brush and I'm going to do streaks up the nail, and we're going to fill that in. And when we fill that in, it levels the colors out, and the ombre is perfection. Okay, it is perfection. And now we're going to add some blooming gel, y'all. This is super easy. This nail art right here is a clear but marble at the same time, but it blooms out. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It gives it just that unique touch of character that's super different. You don't see all the time. And yeah, it looks so cool. And when you look underneath, it kind of look like roses. So I'm just kind of taking my little liner brush through it, little swipes. And this is with no flash. Look how beautiful, you guys. You can see the purple streaks. Look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set. Would you wear this set? And have you tried this set yet? Links are in the description, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I just love y'all. I do. I'll see you on the flip side with another video. Love you. Bye.